In this video, I'm going to show you how to update a bibliography in Mendeley. So to do this, you first must insert the bibliography. So you want to open your document, and then from here, you want to go to Mendeley site, the add-in, and you want to click on the three dots and then insert bibliography. Press continue and you're good to go. Now, if you have live automatic updates, this should automate, of course, update automatically. But if it doesn't, if you have manual, which I prefer, there's two ways to do this. The first one is to basically go and just click on it and then delete it, and you can just insert it yet again. So you can click on insert again, continue, and that's it. It's going to update that. Or the best way is to just basically go and make an update, a change. So I'm just going to add a new reference in here like this. There we go. And you can then go to three dots and you can click on update bibliography. As you can see, there's like a red dot indicating it needs an update. So click on that, and when you do so, it's going to update the bibliography. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.